हिल्स चेक पोस्ट है. ट्रैफिक बहुत कम है आज यूजुअली वीकडेज से. I hope Hyderabad shouldn't turn like Bangalore. Bangalore has the worst traffic scenarios. So right now I have taken a left turn and we are heading towards the Durgam Cheru cable bridge. I don't know where exactly I'm going though. Just going with the flow. My name is Ankit, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So welcome back to the another vlog. Today is Sunday and I have probably gone on a drive. So I woke up late and brunch करने के बाद में I have nothing to do. So I thought I just got ready and I was like, I just wanted to have coffee or something. So एक drive के बाद में I thought I'll just show you guys around. I want to tell about myself. कभी कभी मुझे अकेला रहना पसंद है, लाइक अकेले जाके कॉफी पीना एंड जस्ट ड्राइव पे निकलना. सो आज मैं आप लोग को मेरा अलोन टाइम, आई वांट टू शो यू गाइस माय अलोन टाइम, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई डू, एंड इट्स प्रीटी मच रिलैक्सिंग. और एक पीस रहता है कि व्हेन यू बी विथ योरसेल्फ. आप लोग भी मेरे साथ ड्राइव पे चलिए. लुक एट द व्यू. ये हमारा हैदराबाद का सस्ता सीलिंग है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड दुर्गम चेरू केबल ब्रिज. वी कॉल इट सस्ता सीलिंग ऑफ हैदराबाद. Sometimes I feel I'm not in Hyderabad. It's like, I feel like, I'm in Dubai or something. This is the KTR's vision. And I'll show you guys the biggest chai spot of Hyderabad. It's called Nilofer Cafe. It pays approx 4 lakh rupees per month rent. Just look at the crowd, guys. There's a lot of crowd. I'm not a chai fan though, but इसकी चाय ट्राई करेंगे कभी आके आराम से. अभी तो I don't have any interest to have tea. Look at the public. This is Knowledge City and मुझे probably Monday या Tuesday I have work in this area, so I'll show you around आराम से. वॉक करके दिखाऊंगा आप लोग को ये सारा एरिया. I mean, like lot of eatery places, like lot of restaurants, and you have coffee shops as well. So this is Virat Kohli's 1/8 loft building. You have coffee shops and you have many places to chill. सो मैं अभी आपको मेरा फेवरेट कॉफ़ी शॉप ले जाऊंगा एंड वहाँ पे एक हॉट अमेरिकानो पीते हैं. इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम दैट आई हैड कॉफ़ी. यस्टरडे आल्सो आई फेल्ट लाइक टू हैव नाइस हॉट गार्लिक ब्रेड्स एंड हॉट अमेरिकानो, बट लेट्स गो टुडे. लेट्स गो नाउ. आई वांटेड टू शो यू दिस प्लेस, बट देन दिस प्लेस हैज half an hour waiting. I wanted to show you guys the last house. It's a coffee shop. कभी मैं फिर दिखाऊंगा आपको ब्रेकफास्ट के टाइम पे. I love that coffee shop, but अभी वहाँ पे half an hour का वेटिंग है. So I don't want to wait. So let's go and pick up the coffee somewhere else. So right now I'm at Subramanya Cafe. यहाँ पे मैं बहुत पहले आया था and I came after an year, I guess. This place is very soothing. There's like a lot of crowd downstairs, or else I would have shown you. So it's very peaceful to be in this room. I especially like this room. It's very cozy and silent. I want peace, so I can plan for my upcoming week. Well, I'm like planning a lot of things regards of work and other things as well. So it helps me to be with myself and just relax and plan things. So we got the Americano and we got the garlic bread. So I got a call from my friend and they wanted to meet me. So I'm heading to their home. They stay nearby. So go and meet them.